National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shannon to 6 miles southwest of Mount Morris to near Polo, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mount Morris and Forreston around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Adeline, Leaf River, and Baileyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois.